Okay, you guys, so I got the lights off right now. It's nighttime. Well, it's actually early morning, so it's still dark outside. But I'm ready to turn it on right now. And that's me close. If I back up the camera a little bit, then you can see. So you can see the reflection. I mean, that truck up there is at least, the truck gotta be at least 100 foot away. At least 100 feet away. Get a little bit more. I give it a little bit more than that, but it goes a pretty good distance with the light. Now, if you look on my car, I don't know how your car is designed, but it seems like the light is aiming more straight down and it's just reflecting off of that. So I don't know if y'all can see that, but it looked like it's more light. It looked like it's more light hitting the ground. So I'll do it again. This is off, on. All right, turn the high beams. I know you can't really tell no difference right now, but that's just what it is. High beams off. And that's it. That's the lights when at nighttime.